Hello, welcome back to Storytime with Mr. B. So glad you could join us for Dogman the Scarlet Shedder, Chapter 8, Petey's Dream. Soon. Ha ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Hey, Wally, what's wrong? My name's not Wally. I know. But what's wrong? Well, tomorrow, I gotta work for a bad guy, and I'll be a crook again. Just when I thought I was out, they pull me back in. Don't worry, Wally. We'll help you. Yeah. It's too late. You need to go home. Aw, man. And you need to go to bed. Oh, man. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Good morning. How is your tail feeling? It doesn't hurt anymore. Did Dad stop by while I was asleep? Well, no. But I called him, and I left about 50,000 messages. Thanks, Mom. He's probably on his way right now. Papa? What? Were you dreaming about me? No, I was dreaming about myself when I was a kid. And my mom and... Oh, can we watch that movie about... No, go to bed. Oh, man. Maybe Dad lost his phone. Maybe. How come there's a lock on our door? Because it's somebody else's turn to live here. It is? Yes. Oh, look, they left our stuff in this bag. Wasn't that nice? I guess so. But where are we going to live? Well, I've heard of a place that should be perfect. Vroom. Hey, Mom? Yes? Is Dad still going to live with us? I don't think so. The end of chapter 8. Thanks for joining us. Bye.